Deep breaths, deep breaths.
Before we get into this transformation, please allow me to preface the situation. We're taking it back to November 2018. Life was grand. Full beard, girl by my side, and not a worry in the world. Or so I thought. And then that happened. November 24th, 2018. As tragic as the incident may have seemed, it wasn't all bad news. Call me optimistic. The beard, it was still half full, just missing a bit of the front center portion of it. By the way, the clippers, they got the job done, as you could tell from the video, and they're linked in the description box below. But that's not the point of this video. And with that said, let's proceed.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my beard from to 1 inch with this. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Okay, so this feels so weird. I can actually feel my chin. Now we're gonna take the guard off, and I'm gonna start with my neckline and clean this up right here. Okay. Yeah, that'll suffice. This is crazy. You can actually see facial structure now, which is scary. Just finished up with the 6 underneath. I didn't go past the jawline. I just kind of curved it out at the jawline. So I did that all the way around. And now I will go ahead and line up my cheek line. So let me get my pencil to draw the line on, and then I'm gonna use my tiny micro razors, and I'm just gonna shave across the top, and then we'll be done. Down to the mustache. All right, so now I'm going back and forth, making sure both of my curves line up. All right, so now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna grab my small razor and I'm just gonna pluck away. Holy jeez, that looks weird. All right, time to wash this off. Bring this up a tad bit later on, and I'll probably make my mustache a little shorter. Maybe, it's all hypothetical right now. I just have to feel it out. I have to get used to I'm still in shock right now.
This video is a bit of a twofer, so we have the beard shave, and then I'm gonna show you this. So I apologize, this might be a little confusing. I'm gonna take this back before the beard shave incident and show you what we're working with, and I'm gonna show you a little trick that I do with a simple headband. Like I was saying at the beginning of the video, we're looking at the beard half full. I mean, I know technically we're about a quarter of where we were in regard to beard fruition, but let's not get technical. And at the same time, beards do grow back. And with that said, and as a matter of fact, we're already back in full bloom. Cheers.